You excited, Ballerina? Hmm?
Yeah.
Yeah. Can you say hi to the camera? Say hi!
I want to see it.
You want to see it? Here. And today is May. I'm thinking it's the 28th.
Yeah.
Is it? I'm not sure. But today was Belly's first swimming lesson, and now it'll be our first time on the Alpine Slide coaster. It's my first time too. Whee! Wow! Off we go. You see all the big trees, Belly? Alright, we'll turn the camera back on when we're ready to head down. Say bye-bye.
Bye.
Okay, Belly, here we go. Excited? Whee! Where'd Papa go? Yay! Whee! Are you having fun? Yeah. Woo! Ready? Woo! Whee! Almost to the end, Belly. Big turn! Have fun, Belly. Yeah. Whoa!
It's not going.
Nope, we're done. Are you excited? Are you excited?
Yay! Where's Papa go?
Where'd Papa